Toe flares tutorial. Bend down to go on the front of your boot. Toe stop off. Count 1, 2. Make sure you put your arms up. Roll up on your wheels. Then up. Make sure you bend. Bring your arms up. Bend. Hold for 1 second 4 times. Make sure your arms are up. Hold for 2 seconds 4 times. Keep your arms up. Hold for 3 seconds 4 times. And hold for 4 seconds 4 times. And now you've got your toe flares. Heel flare tutorial. Push your heel wheels at an acute angle, aka 70 degrees. Also switch up. Bend your knees and imagine you're holding the rail. Push your butt backwards and your chest forward. And make sure you bend your knees. Hold for 1 second 4 times. Hold for 2 seconds 4 times. Hold for 3 seconds 4 times. And hold for 4 seconds 4 times. And now you've got your flare. Heel and toe flares roll into roll forward like an inverted lemon and roll backwards like an inverted lemon. Make sure your wheels don't touch but are parallel. Bend and roll onto your heel and hold for 1 second and then bend back on all 4 wheels. Roll back and bend and hold for 1 second and bend back for momentum. Mirror your arms with your feet. Make sure you bend and bend. Bend and bend. And make sure your feet don't start wide. And now you've got your rolling flares. Let's get your grapevine on. Grapevine tutorial. Practice your flares back and forth. Back and forth. With some momentum on your front wheel, roll into the flare and bend. Roll into the flare and bend. Roll into the flare and bend. Then practice forward flare to the side, forward flare to the side flare, forward flare to the side flare. Keep on practicing that and remember to bend your knees. Make sure whatever direction you're going, you're following your shoulder. Follow your shoulder, follow your shoulder, follow your shoulder, follow your shoulder. Great. And now traveling vertically, let's do the grapevine.